We'll name this angle. What is that angle? FPQ. FPQ. FPQ angle as 165 degrees. 165 degrees. 165 degrees. Here we'll name this. This is a straight angle. FT. GPQ as 180 angle. Now we measure that. First we drew angles using the compass, then we measure using the protractor. Now here CPQ. CPQ, that is 30 degrees. BPQ that is 60 degrees. APQ that's 90 degrees. DPQ that's 120 degrees. EPQ that's 150 degrees. FPQ 165 degrees. GPQ that is 180 degrees. We can draw more angles. We can keep the compass here. We can draw arc here, and from here another arc. Then another line comes from point P. Is the ruler properly? Right. Now we can measure that. We'll name this as what is that angle? HPQ. HPQ angle. It tells us HPQ angle. It tells us 15 degrees. HPQ. HPQ angle as 15 degrees. We can draw another angle. That is the way drawing angles, constructing angles.